Hey everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel. Many of Adobe Acrobat's most useful PDF features require a paid subscription. Stop using it. If you're looking for a free way to manage and edit PDFs, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you 3 free methods can replace Acrobat and may even be more useful. And don't forget to subscribe so you can easily find more useful PDF tips like this later. Let's start with the quickest method, Google Chrome. If you mainly need to read PDFs, Chrome can handle quite a lot without installing extra software. Simply drag and drop your PDF into Google Chrome to open it. From here, you can add text, highlight important information, and even draw directly on the PDF to mark up your notes. And Chrome also has another useful feature, AI-powered PDF summaries. Just click here, and Gemini can summarize the content of your PDF for you. This can save you time and help you quickly understand the main points of a long document without reading every page first. However, there's one limitation. Sometimes you don't just want to read or annotate a PDF. You actually need to change the content inside it, such as fixing a typo or updating a date. That's where the second method comes in. For the second method, I'll use a free dedicated PDF editor. PDNob PDF Editor is a great option, as it covers most of your everyday and office PDF needs. I've left the free download link in the description so you can get started in about a minute. First, open PDNob, select OCR and upload your file. OCR can convert text in scanned or image-based PDFs into editable text. You can also select the document language, which helps the OCR process recognize the text more accurately. After processing, your PDF becomes fully editable, while keeping the original layout as much as possible. Now, you can edit existing text, delete content, add new text, and even adjust images directly inside the PDF. And that's not all. PDNob can also convert PDFs into other formats, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You also get additional PDF tools for translation, compression, and annotation, making it easier to manage your PDFs in one place. So, if you need to actually edit and manage PDF content, rather than just read or mark it up, this is a much more complete solution. Finally, you can use Microsoft Word directly. Click Open in Word and find your PDF file. Word will ask if you want to convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Click OK. Word will then convert your PDF into an editable document. Now, you can edit the content directly in Word, making changes to the text and updating the document as needed. So, depending on what you need, you have 3 free options: Chrome for reading and quick annotations, PDNob for full PDF editing and management, and Word for converting a PDF into an editable document. Choose the method that fits your workflow, and you can handle your PDFs without paying for Adobe Acrobat. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.